Valves are the traffic cops of fluid systems, controlling flow, pressure, and direction. But with so many types, how do you know which one to use? In this video, we'll break down the 4 most common valves: gate, globe, ball, and butterfly, with working, applications, pros and cons, and real examples. What is a valve? A valve is a mechanical device that regulates the flow of a fluid by opening, closing, or partially obstructing passageways. Functions: start-stop flow, regulate flow, prevent backflow, relieve pressure. Types of valves. 1. Gate valve. Working: vertical gate, disc moves up and down, fully open or fully closed. Best for on-off service, isolation. Advantages: low pressure drop, bidirectional. Limitations: slow operation, not good for throttling, causes vibration and wear. Applications: pipelines in oil and gas, water distribution, refineries. 2. Globe valve. Working: disc moves perpendicular to seat, allows good throttling control. Best for flow regulation control. Advantages: good throttling, tight shutoff. Limitations: higher pressure drop compared to gate. Applications: cooling water systems, fuel systems, chemical feed lines. 3. Ball valve. Working: rotating ball with bore 90 degrees turn, opens, closes flow. Best for quick shutoff. Advantages: fast operation, tight sealing, compact. Limitations: not good for throttling, erosion risk. Applications: natural gas lines, compressed air, HVAC, oil pipelines. 4. Butterfly valve. Working: disc rotates 90 degrees around shaft, regulates flow. Best for large pipe diameters, low pressure drop. Advantages: lightweight, cost-effective, compact. Limitations: limited throttling accuracy, sealing not as tight. Applications: cooling water, ventilation, slurry service, fire systems. Valve. Working: allows flow in one direction, closes automatically if flow reverses. Best for preventing backflow. Advantages: simple design, automatic operation, low maintenance. Limitations: cannot be used for flow regulation, may cause water hammer. Applications: water supply systems, pumps, compressors, steam systems, oil and gas pipelines. Visual idea: valve type best for operation, pressure drop, cost, common use. Applications: ventilation, gate, on-off, slow, low, medium, pipelines, globe, globe, throttling, slow, high, high, flow control, ball, on-off, quick, fast, low, medium, gas, oil, HVAC, butterfly, large flow, low cost, fast, low, low. Cooling firewater. Latest trends 2024-25. Smart valves with IoT sensors, pressure, position feedback. Severe service valves, SSV for high-temp erosive fluids. Zero leakage designs, environmental safety. Additive manufacturing, 3D printing for custom valve internals. Number 6. Mini quiz. Question: which valve would you select for quick shutoff in a gas pipeline? Gate, globe, ball, or butterfly? Comment below. Top 5 interview questions and answers. 1. What is the main difference between a gate valve and a globe valve? Gate valve for isolation, on-off, minimal pressure drop. Globe valve for throttling control, higher pressure drop. 2. Why is a ball valve preferred over a gate valve in gas lines? Ball valve, quick 90-degree shutoff, bubble-tight sealing. Gate valve, slower, less reliable sealing in gas service. 3. What are the limitations of butterfly valves? Poor sealing at very high pressure. Not suitable for precision throttling. Disc obstructs flow path, partially even when open. 4. Which valve would you select for high-pressure steam service? Globe valve, better control and sealing under high-pressure temperature. 5. What are smart valves and why are they trending? Valves with sensors, actuators, IoT integration. Provide real-time monitoring, remote operation, predictive maintenance. And that's your quick guide to gate, globe, ball, and butterfly valves. Each has its place depending on flow, pressure, and application. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 3D Decode for more engineering breakdowns.